Hi, I'm Steph for Women's Choice Reviews, and today we're going to be reviewing the Dirt Devil Vibe Stick Vacuum. The Dirt Devil Vibe 3-in-1 vacuum is a corded stick vacuum, a corded hand vacuum, as well as a detailer. So as you can probably tell, it may require some assembly. So that didn't take very long. All we had to do was connect the 3 different parts, the top, the middle, and the bottom, as well as 2 screws on the top to make sure that the handle's secured. In order to use this as a hand vacuum, first we need to unravel the cord. Then we're going to push on this little button in the back. Give the stick a little twist so we can remove the top. And then we must press this push button in the back to remove the bottom. As you can see, it takes a little bit of time. Then we're going to plug it. And see how it works. So now we're going to test it with the detailing nozzle to see if it makes a difference. This time it looks like it did a much better job, much faster and much more accurate pickup. So now we're going to test it as a stick vacuum. We notice that there's actually 2 settings. The first one, the brush inside of it does not roll, and then the second one, it seems to be a little stronger suction, and the brush inside of it rolls. case, we used setting number 2 with the brush rolling for this type of job with coffee grounds. It seems to have done a much better job. In this case, we're going to test it once again as a stick vacuum, and we're going to use the setting number 2 since we're vacuuming on a carpet. Again, as a stick vacuum, this proves to have done a really great job. Overall, this vacuum proved to be a solid product. It's very lightweight. It was fairly easy to assemble as well as disassemble when I wanted to just use the hand vacuum. It did a really good job on the floor as well as on the carpet, especially with the rolling brush setting on. It did a fantastic job with the detailing nozzle. It just didn't do quite as good of a job when we used it without it. It seemed to take a little bit longer to pick up most of the coffee that we had on the table. But overall, I think it was great. It is not cordless, so it does require for you to plug it in. However, the length of it seems long enough to where you'd be able to vacuum a fair area before you have to unplug it and plug it somewhere else.